In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a file in Canva. Whether you're designing for personal projects or professional ones, knowing how to save your work efficiently is crucial. So let's get started. First things first, you need to navigate to Canva by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Canva website address, or simply click on the Canva link if you have it bookmarked or pre-saved. As a reminder, Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that offers a vast array of templates for your projects, whether they might be social media posts, presentations, or even resumes. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll likely see a Continue button. Click on it to proceed to the next screen. This button essentially helps you move forward to access your account details and design workspaces. Now, if you're not logged in already, you might be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Canva subscription or usage. This helps Canva identify you and pull up any existing projects you've worked on. Click on Continue once again if prompted. These steps ensure that you've authenticated your identity and are ready to dive into your design projects seamlessly. Next, you'll either open an existing project you're working on or create something new. For our tutorial today, feel free to select any project you have saved or start a fresh one. Canva does a great job of auto-saving your work, which is a fantastic feature. You'll often see a small cloud icon with a check mark. This indicates that your work is being saved automatically. But for those moments when you want to make sure you have a copy saved on your personal device, you'll want to do it manually. Here's how you manually save your work. Look for the Share button, often visible at the top right corner of your Canva screen. Click on that. It's the gateway to not only sharing your work, but also for downloading it directly to your device. In the drop-down, choose the Download option. You'll then see a File Type drop-down menu. Click on it to expand a list of file formats you can save your work as, such as PNG, JPEG, PDF, and more. Depending on your needs, select the format that best suits your project requirements. For example, choose PDF for print quality or PNG for high-resolution images without backgrounds. Once you've selected your desired file type, go ahead and click the final Download button. After a few moments, your file should be ready for local use. You'll get a confirmation once the download is complete, signaling that you've saved your beautiful design project successfully. And that's all there is to it. You're done. Now you have your Canva design project saved and ready to be used or shared as needed. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Canva.